Welcome to my channel. So on this tutorial I will show you how to create Crystal Report in Visual Studio 2015 with higher class using ASP.NET C#. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. The SQL Server database my test DB, and this is the table, and these are the records in the database table. Start Visual Studio. Now click on File menu. Click on New Website. Select the location where you wanna create this website. The website name is Crystal Report Tutorial Visual 2015. Click on Yes. Now click OK. The website is created. This is the default text. Just remove this text, and in this page I will display how to load Crystal Report, how to create Crystal Report in Visual Studio 2015 using ASP.NET C#. Okay, heading is Crystal Report Tutorial in Visual Studio 2015. Add a div tag. In this div tag I will add a button control. Add a button control from the toolbox. Just drag and drop. Yes, this is the button. Go to the design. Yes, now change the text of this button. Button text is load report. In this button I will use to load Crystal Report in ASP.NET page. For color is white and font bold true. Yes, now this is looking nice. Now I'm gonna add a Crystal Report viewer from the toolbox. Yes, this is the Crystal Report viewer. Just a drag and drop. Yes. Now in the button click event I will write code to load Crystal Report. Okay, now add new item in the solution. Add new item. Select web form. Now select Crystal Report. Yes, name this report. This is the default name Crystal Report. I just renamed it with the Crystal Report test. Yes, using the report wizard standard. Click OK and create new connection. Expand the OLEDB. Microsoft OLEDB provided for SQL Server. Next, select the server. My server name is catalog SBR. User ID S and password is this is my password. Put your password. SQL Server password, and the database is my test DB. Next, finish. Yes, now it's connected. This is my test DB, and this is the table student info tab. Okay, now this table is added. Okay, this is the default text. I just remove from the report, and now I'm gonna add a text object as heading. Heading is student info report. Okay, now change the make it bold. Yes, expand the database field and expand the student info tab. Drag the column student ID in the details section in the extra report. Student name, address, age and contact. Now add a line vertically to design this report so that it will look like a table. To make this table look like table, just add a line and design with the line. Yes, these are the line objects. Now add line horizontally and copy this line and paste in each column, each like student ID, name, address, age and contact. Now go to the preview. Yes, now it's look like a table. Okay, now go to the button click event. In this button click event I will connect to the SQL Server database, and I will write code to display Crystal Report in the ASP.NET web form Crystal Report viewer. Okay, SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection. Add namespace using system.data.sql client. Yes, the namespace is added. Now SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command. Add double quotation and initiate the con. Yes. Now to connect SQL Server, go to the Server Explorer. First of all I have to add connection. Right click, add connection, catalog SBR, SQL Server authentication, username and password. Password is my password. If you use Windows authentication you can user. Okay, my test DB, this is the database, and this is the table, student info tab. Okay, now select star from student info tab, and to get the connection string, right click on the database in Server Explorer, click on property. This is the connection string, double click to copy and paste it in the SQL connection. Okay, now it's connected with the SQL Server database. SQL data adapter SD equal to new SQL data adapter called CMD. Okay, now dataset dataset D is equal to new dataset. Add namespace using system.data. Okay, the namespace is added as using system.data. Now sda.fill ds, I mean SQL data adapter fill in the ds dataset. Finally, report document crp equal to new report document. Add namespace using Crystal Report engine. Yes, namespace is added. Now crp.load server.map path. Map path is my Crystal Report name. My Crystal Report name is Crystal Report test.rpt. Yes. Finally, crp dot set data source. My data source is ds dot tables. Table is table. Okay, now finally Crystal Report viewer, what I added in the ASP.NET Web Form. Crystal Report viewer 1.report source equal to crp dot export to HTTP response. You should use export to HTTP response in Visual 2015. Okay, now add namespace Crystal decisions dot shared. Okay, now crp dot export HTTP response export format type dot portable doc format response. See in the suggestions, response false, as attachment false, and attachment name, I mean Crystal Report name is student information. Okay, now go to the view in browser. Yes, load report. Oh, system data login failed for user S. I have to check the connection string. Go to the CS file and check the connection string. Oh, sorry, I have to put my password here. Just put in my password. So let's reload this page. Yes, it's loading. Load report. Yes, it's displaying all the records from the SQL Server database to Crystal Report viewer. Adding where clause. Now I just displaying all the records, but now I will display using where clause, I mean specific clause. So first of all, I will add where clause. To add where clause, I will add text box to load data according to the text box text. In that case, string chk equal to text box 1.text, and where a address, I will mention address, and after executing, it will display that information, those student information which address is as per the text box. Or does not exist. I have to save the web form. Save all. Yes, now reload this page. Address is USA. Load report, it's displaying all the data which address is USA. Now Canada, load report, displaying only that record which address is Canada. Okay, now I'm gonna change this address to age. I mean age greater than chk. chk is now a string, so age is integer type, so change this to data type to integer and convert the text is integer dot first type is 1 dot text. Okay, now I'll display those records which age is greater than 30. Yes, 35, 40, 35, 55. Okay, now change 35. Yes, now it's decreased 40 and 55 only.